Welcome to the installation video about Fabric Vogue Booth display. Those are lightweight frames and quickly assembled in just 15 to 20 minutes. With numbers on the aluminum poles and having a clip-on buttons make it easy to assemble. Follow the instructions shown in the installation guide as per the video. The zipper on the fabric makes it very stable and easy to cover the frame. The light is sticked in the fabric with help of Velcro material. Clip-on wire cables make a hassle-free connection. Fabric Vogue Booth can add depth and height to your event or trade show space. Visit Backdropsource for more information.